There is an invisible life inside us. They change dozens of generations a day, digesting, making vitamins, and training the immune system. They're gut microbes. The problem is that they are under attack. Humans once coexisted with microbes. Handmade kimchi miso sauce, cheonggukjang, dirt-soaked vegetables, all of these foods were the companions of microbes. But modern society has changed. We pursued religion, sprayed disinfectants, abused antibiotics, processed instant food. Yes, what is the result? The microbes in our bodies are exhausted, the intestinal mucosa is thinning, and the immune system is in disarray. Modern science is revealing that increased inflammation, increased allergies, and even depression and obesity are linked to gut microbes. The most shocking thing is that just one meal can change the future microbial makeup. We effectively curate our own biological ecosystem each day. The solution resides in reverting to how our gut microbes once thrived, consuming fresh, nutritious foods to nourish these microbes, enhancing the richness and diversity of our intestinal ecosystem. Time-honored fermented foods act as sentinels, with millions engaged in the tradition-driven science of cultivating these vital microbes, from the depths of kimchi and miso sauce to cheonggukjang and vinegar brewing. Fermented foods, fermented with lactose plus bacteria, reinvigorate the gut ecosystem. Living healthy bacteria, various complex bacteria, Korean disorders, better inductive bacteria, milk source plus bacteria is a shortcut to rebalance the broken future. We are now in a quiet war, the war between beneficial and harmful bacteria. The crossroads between health and disease must now be chosen. Will our bodies give us a living environment again, or will we continue to destroy the gut microbial ecosystem in our bodies in the name of convenience? The microbes don't talk, but they're listening to your answers every day with the instant food you're eating right now. Happy Foot Oil World, Lee Mansok.